Want to create a Roblox account in 2026? Creating a Roblox account is quick, free, and gives you access to millions of games, avatar customization, chat features, and online communities. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire account creation process step by step on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred web browser and visit the official Roblox website. The registration form appears on the home page, allowing you to create a new account for free. Next, enter your birth date, choose a unique username, and create a strong password. Complete any additional required fields, then review your information before continuing. Choosing a memorable username and a secure password will make it easier to manage your account later. Now click the Sign Up button. Roblox may ask you to complete a verification challenge to confirm that you're a real person. Simply follow the on-screen instructions until the verification is complete. After your account has been created, open the Settings menu and add a verified email address. You can also enable two-step verification for additional account security. Taking a few extra minutes to secure your account can help protect it in the future. Finally, customize your avatar, explore the home page, search for games, and adjust your privacy settings if needed. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start exploring millions of Roblox experiences. And that's how to create a Roblox account in 2026. Your new account is now ready, and you can start playing games, making friends, customizing your avatar, and enjoying everything Roblox has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.